All right, so I'm revisiting an incident that I had almost a year ago. I was at Park MGM with my wife for CES, and I had my Model 3 parked in the parking lot. And these guys at 2 a.m. on the 9th of January essentially came to the vehicle. I guess they were upset that the Model 3 was there charging. They look a little drunk. And basically, this guy tries to pull out the charger, and he's not able to. And we'll kick it a few times, and then his buddy will come over and kick the car, making the alarm go off. And that's going to happen right now. Kicks it a few times. Now the other guy's going to come over, and then this other girl appears and basically yells at them, and they all kind of get in the vehicle and they take off. So people asked us to what happened about regarding this, and essentially I reported this to the police. I got a call from an investigator maybe 2 months later, and I gave all the information that I had and what I reported to Park MGM also. I never heard back from the investigator, but I did through Instagram and Snapchat get details about these people because people recognized them and they reported back saying, hey, I know who this is, and they gave me their information. So at the end, I did find out who they were, and I gave all that information to the investigator, so they never heard back. But yeah, the vehicle, nothing ever happened to the vehicle, and it didn't get damaged in any way, so I didn't seem like I needed to pursue it anymore. But that's the update on that. Okay? If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you at the next one. Thanks.